Yes, yes, yes. Okay, everybody. So behind me is the glass house in Tobago. Now, ask anybody about the glass house. Anybody in Tobago who gets around about the glass house in Tobago, and they'll know exactly what you're talking about. And it is spectacular. Have a look. So right now there's no doubt about it. This place looks amazing. But when I first saw it in December last year, I admired the house, but I cringed. I actually cringed when I saw the turf and some aspects of the landscaping. This area on the side of the house was on its way to being completely taken over by weeds. And this area behind the pool was completely gone. There was almost no hope really in salvaging this area. The turf was mainly brownish and yellow, and although it had been established for more than a year, you could see straight through it to the ground in many areas. Also, although the landscape was beautiful with healthy plants that really complemented the structure, the landscaping itself lacked important quality elements that really impact the refinement of the landscape and also its long-term resilience. So this video series is about how this property went from lackluster to luscious, from weedy to weed-free, from bumpy to beautifully graded, and from dry to irrigated. This one is epic. Let's go.